11th grade, the secondary school named after Tokhtom Shadrangov teacher Kадыралиева Анара. Hello students, welcome to our English lesson. Lesson theme Kyrgyz national cuisine. The aim of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to read and translate the text about Kyrgyz national cuisine, to use them in their oral speaking speech, work on exercise and enrich vocabulary. Let's read and speak English. New words. Now I will read these new words and you will repeat after me. Cuisine, ашкана. Observed, сіңірген. Preserved, сақтаған. Identity, өзгөчөлүк. Festivities, меймандоо, дам татуу. Flatbread, жапкан нан. Candy, ширин таттуулар. Кымыз. Now read the text and translate. Open your book on page 126. Exercise 4. I will read the text once, then you will read and translate it. Kyrgyz culinary has absorbed all the best from these cultures and preserved its own originality and national identity. Many Kyrgyz national dishes and cookery are popular among the various peoples of our republic. Dasturkhan, or a white tablecloth, is put on a low, round table. Festivities begin with tea, flatbread, borsuk, katama, and other fresh and dried fruits and candy are on the table. The tea is followed by kımız and dishes of boiled, fried, and baked meat are arranged on the table. Then the traditional bishparmak is served. Exercise 5 on page 127. Now you will answer the questions. Write in it your copybooks and send it to me. A. What do you usually have for breakfast, dinner, supper? B. Do you have bread with butter? C. What types of bread do you know? D. What bread do you prefer more, borsuk, katama, or flatbread? Thank you for attention. Goodbye.